quick reading for March the 11th to March the 12th. Scorpio, your cards are the Witch of Cups, the Three of Wands, and the Ace of Pentacles. So ang nakikita natin dito, more of, kasi the Witch of Cups, someone is actually looking at you, no, from a distant. With the Three of Wands, ang nakikita kasi din natin dito, probably you're waiting for this prey, no? I don't know kung sino sa inyo yung prey, or sino ang predator, no? Para kasing sa jungle, um, ang hirap i-distinguish ngayon kung sino ang kakain kanino, no? Kasi I don't mean sexual, no? Pero pwede rin naman. With the Three of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles, what I'm trying to say here is more of, I feel like kung meron ka mang katunggali ngayon, parang talagang babrasuhin mo sila, no? Tatadyakan mo sila na talagang liligwak sila. And it felt like the trophy is with you also, no, Scorpio. So this is your reading for March the 11th to March the 12th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.